Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya highlights the life-saving ability of blood with a donation camp. Students from different parts of the city joins in for the rally supporting Arden. Inches away from petrol pump, flames consumes 3 stores. And Nongpo DC inaugurates the CM Youth Centre at Umling. Another news in detail. The Directorate of Health Services Department, the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, the Meghalaya Health Mission, in collaboration with Terumo Blood and Cell Technologies on the 30th of May organized a program under the theme Strengthening of Blood Ecosystem held in Nongpo Parish Hall. On the same day, a blood donation camp was set up, which was participated by leaders of the state, officers from different departments and others. Participating in the occasion includes Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, who graced the occasion in the presence of Chairman of Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board, Merubon's Aim, MLA of Nongpo, Arpit Upadhyaya, Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi, officers from different health departments, doctors and others.
Very often, as you saw in that skit, lives are lost because we are hesitant as a community to be the change. Donation of blood is actually a very healthy practice. Personally, as an MLA, I have donated regularly every once a year. In fact, I feel that there is no point in me telling somebody else to donate blood if I cannot be the change. So young people of the district of Ribhoi, this voluntary blood donation is an investment for you and the people of your district itself. Very, very important that we upscale our storage facilities, and therefore you see that the government of Meghalaya now is willing to partner with all these capable partners who know the business of how we can ensure that the blood that is being donated is utilized, stored and utilized in the best possible way. I want to therefore thank the Managing Director.
Anything for all of them. It's the time I am happy to see today different brochure that has been released in different languages. I hope it will reach to the people at large. And this understanding has to be there that we have to donate blood. There is a campaign about say no to drugs. There is a campaign say no to plastic. There is a campaign in Ribhoi. I used to spearhead a campaign about say no to plastic and say yes to slalamen. Many of you may know or you may not know about slalamen. We call it in our local language slalamen, slalabu, slalare. They are the leaf, the banana leaf and all the leaves that we have. Let's go back to that. That is with regard of getting rid of plastic. So all this issue, it is there. At the same time, we have to say yes for donating blood. So I hope that somebody, I hope that I don't need to give this call today because I already made myself sure that I'm going to donate blood. I already tested, madam. We already checked our BP, everything is fine, and I'm happy today. I have that we usually hesitate to give blood. That is a fact. I experienced as a legislator, many of my constituents, when they approach me with regards for the need of the blood for their loved and dear one when they are in hospital, I used to ask them, why don't you donate blood? Why don't you give blood by yourself? They say, no, we cannot give blood because this may happen, that may happen. This kind of what can I say, superstitious or which should not be there, but it is there in the mind of people. I wouldn't blame them because they don't know. Because we feel any moment if somebody will make an accident or if somebody will see a blood, we feel scared, we feel fear whenever we see like that. That's why this right thing within our mind is there, and this it infused in our thinking that it is not healthy to give blood for any of our people, especially in the rural area. So this campaign has to be there. It has to reach out to the people at large that we should understand by giving blood, we are not wasting anything, but we are going to gain many things for all of them.
The president of VPP, Arden Basayomot, had received thousands of supports from the public. On a 30th May, another series of rally was witnessed in Shillong, where a multitude of students from different parts of the capital had arrived to participate in the peace rally, showing the support for Arden in his fight for the revision of the reservation policy. The rally began from Embo's office to Lachumere and so on to Kiang Nangba statue and ended in the additional secretariat where Arden was. Speaking to the media persons, the leader of HYC, Roy Kupar Sindram, exclaimed that the youth of the state are at a great loss since nothing has been done for 50 years. He extended his appreciation to Arden and the students who had attended to the call for unity.
Ay.
Habakan Shikila Apathai Kubona Kalyang Unong Yalam ke HYC, Uba Roy Kupar Sindram, U General Secretary Ula Ong Bakala Long Gajing Du Nongi Kisamla Gajala, La Sanpo Tulis Nem Klemle AA, Manakalyang Kasengkal I Kuble Kerpang Yu Ba Arden, Bula Long Shishaw Radba Gajala, But Kala I Kuble Ru Kerpangi Kisamla Kibla Poiranti Shakani Gajing Yat Ba.
Education cell ka jongka kala penbet ya kani kasngi menta kasngi ban pelong kata ka jingi ya pat ba jongki kun samla jong ka jat new trip ya ka bangi lai kerteng kata ka new trip youth smart kum kadak ka jingwan ai mensiam ya new riu rang ba jong ka jat benriu bola syem ya kani ka sien jam ban pelong kani ka jing sha thangan kani ka jaka ban penbor ya ka sorkar jela ka jongi bakapor kala dei bakum ka jat benriu bangin yo ya ka jong ka hok lang ba ka jing penbet tmai la ne ka jing khri biang ban review ya kata reservation policy jong kajala kabangila pentrikam menta di kisan photo ligisnam kaseng nadu kisnam ki baladam ngila juong ni gentian ba kani ka reservation policy kum bakalong menta kala de kita kabi kabangi kum kajat menriu ngila kebom hala ka jong ka sentur di kisan photo ligisnam bat kani kabi kabangi ngila kedom kebom hala ka sentur kala kelalong penban kata ka jingpang kabala bam yang nginopo namar la ringi bet ya ka jing light kam la jam hakini gisni baladam ngiyoi adukat nung isya leben namarkat balat ki kam ngi baki weipat ki perlok ki yo khambun ka bha ngi yo duna tengi na kalian jong kaseng ngi wan ban pelong ngi kanika jinge ya bat ba man khot iki khun samla kham tam be ki bapuli yang ni posor ban ong ki bakin mi shakhmat ngi sokmen mementa kasngi walatang shisngi ngi yo ban ban penkre ya kan ngejingat pat ba ka jongi ring mi so yo mensim mi so kumen bagi kun samla na ki school na ki college ki ba per da ki hajar ngut kilawan ban yasno khti akan ngejingat pat ba ka jongi pat ba ka jongi kalong ban wan akan ngejaka ban ai mensim mi riu rang ba nam unang ya syakman ban pun urlong yang ngejing tumu naman ngitem baka jingale ka jong ni ka de nang banta kalawe jong ki kun samla ka jong ni ka jingwan ka jong ki kun samla mata ka si ka jing mi syakmat ka peniru ya ka we ka sur bakum ka jat ben riu ndei tang gilong mi gilong pa ndei ki kun samla ru ki sngok thu ya ka jing khia jong ka ni ka kam tengi na ka yang ka seng ki so ban ai khuplei ya baro ki kun samla jong ka jat ben riu nyok ki balaya snok tilang menta ka si bat ngi banwan sa ka ni ka jaka bat nginget lang ba ka ni ka jingwan ka jong ni menta ka si haringkat ki hajar hem ya iba arden bade ka kenhun ga jongi ba inang ya syakman ha ba de ba kani ka kam kana ma ta ka jing thumu ka jing angnut ka jongi kum ka jat ben riu ban yo ya la ka jong ka hok kat kum ka lenti ka badai ngin yo ban ban bet thmai la ne ban pet thmai ya kata ka reservation policy ka bala pentrekan menta de kisan phot li gisnam te kata ka de jing thumu jong ka ne ka nyotrep youth march la ne ka jing ya ba jong ki kun samla jong ka jat riu nyotrep ha ka ne si
On the 30th May, a fire broke out in Dakopgray near petrol pump, which led to the destruction of 3 stores in the Dakopgray locality of Tura. According to the reports, the fire started at around 8 a.m. and destroyed 3 other shops. This incident occurred during school rush hour. The cause is believed to be a gas cylinder explosion. 3 shops, a tea shop, a tire shop and a barber shop, were entirely consumed by the fire. The fire was eventually extinguished by the firefighters who arrived at the scene along with emergency personnel. Fortunately, amidst the blazing fire, no casualties were reported.
Yo petrol pump na sini karo.
Paita dak siapa beretu?
Tunggu apa? Nunggu ini dah.
Bagi tunggahannya, ini sambal tunggu barang yang nuk tera.
Yang nok wah hitnan yang nok wah building ba yang gen.
Ayo.
PSP yang nuk.
Yang nok.
Yang jatuh apa baru mana gen?
Apa gen?
Hat kinu kuat polis PSP tang sambal.
Ya, war tutup na yo.
Kalian ayo. Mai bawa nama semua. Basrang ada mainan ni sambal dunia sih.
Hai. Tapi tu kata cari mah. Mai pun tidak. Mai sebenarnya ada kerja ibu.
Mang baik tu kan sambal tunggu cuma itu mah.
Tunggu ba? Mapi pun tunggu ba?
Oh, barat tu kan. Anak-anak kan ni bang. Mai ni sudah.
Ya, oi. Dia tiba tiba mai pun tunggu petrol pump tunggu mu. Ini sedanger.
Well, man. Cina nak mesti. Fire brigade tarik ibu nak aja.
Ibu nak aja. Kalian pun dah hidup?
Ayaw, darling dukti.
Lagi tahu invited nangat sebab mu. Mu? Tahu mai pun mu.
Petrol pump sambasa tarik pun macam.
Weh petrol pump tambah sah.
Disaster untuk kiri petrol pump sambasa.
Wah di kuaya tu mu.
Kuaya.
장비리 한쪽. 이번에 맞죠?
The Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, Arpit Upadhyaya, on the 30th May, inaugurated the Chief Minister Youth Centre Umling in the presence of BDO Umling Development Block and the leaders of MCYC from Shillong. The aim of the centre is basically for the suffering youth who possesses talent yet lacks opportunities to train and polish themselves in various fields related to cooking, making furnitures, clothes and even in sports. The government took the initiative to open doors for young people to establish their own businesses in various fields. On the same day, MCYC organized a display show on the different products produced by the students of the centre. Various innovative designs of furnitures and different kinds of soap and others were showcased on the occasion.
Thank you so much.
Project iba kila le akan nikalay benai Andre ya pengikat kali kaba ya lahi
akan kasabon nagbaga jing rang gajing kwa kajongi marbangi lawan ha kan kasi emosi la yawan juga betul yang mati nak ki balaya simenta sebang baya sujan sebang baya tan gitu bijan baya shed tengi ngabat ngasmu kwa kenbangan simenta ya kan kasabon mah ya hatin ni persiang dai la persiang tu ka ni bakal long da kala long tu ni la ya try kan nyelejo ki kitar ni bayi pen ki senangi te ki sit sakohti bang ile kali sakohti ding ya ukhar ba kunong ile bang pa bang nang basna sabon te ukhar mu ajim jam ni kan da pa ban nang basna sabon te wan no bat ni nila ban yarap yapi ya tay ông itu kan thay dengan la wan marba dan ikun yin te uang dan buat untuk ai kan kata ayu ai jimut yang ni dah buat dengan ai dengan batai yang kena dawai bakin try bisa dah tenang dan ya tip untuk ini dia persang kan dan ya persang kalau ni bakal long te tengi persang dengan yang kiu kan sanang yang persang hendet dan i bakal long kumnete tengi kermen kan bakal neka jing sang demi bakal long kaba job biar ni kamu dah kerten jonga baca yang di membar
ban pengiu yang kasap jompi ka topidan baru nak kalian juga administration tu employ banyak yarap banyak link ya kan ka kasap jompi bagi to various departments that you can showcase your talent in. And kalau aslam niat what's going Ngadon sa kaway meeting sa tayo nung po tamba the anything to do from the block office and also with the able support of the DC's office also. We are always ready to help and always ready to uplift the youth of the block and also of the state and of the district as well. So with those few words, to play and please continue to hone your talent, continue to improve because the only way is up. Thank you so much.
Wonderful moment, and I would like to say that this exhibition center will go, this CM Youth Center will go a long way in harnessing the talents of the youth. And at this time, when you all have a lot of energy, a lot of potential, a lot of things to do, a lot of creativity, the youth center provides you all those opportunities on how to develop that talent, how to make it more creative, how to instill the curiosity in you, how to divert your energies in a very positive manner. So this is a great day. I've seen how it functions. I've seen how the pilot project in Solarium also, and I wish that this kind of centers, there should be more such centers like that. You will go this will go taken a very warm welcome by the society. I know after some time all the youth, all the kids will be here only, doing some things other here and there, and you will enjoy a lot. This center is for you, and it is your responsibility also to take it forward and to ensure that everyone is here. I would like to thank our Ranvashnav also. Firstly, it cannot happen without your support, and now since you have started this thing, I believe that you take it up forward and to ensure that all the youth, the people, the kids, the teenagers, and everyone should come here and do something. Just coming here will help you a lot, and you will find different things about yourself also. So when I went to Solarium, I remember that there was some machinery cutting or something was there. And I was feeling like I should also do, but although I could not do it, probably I'll come here sometime, do something. Carpentry is looking very interesting for me. So these are the things that I think you should all take forward, especially the students, the kids, and the youth who is present here. So at this note, I would like to thank everyone for calling me here, and I would like to congratulate also everyone for the inauguration of CM Youth Center. And I'm very sure that after some time you will realize how much important, how much required this center was. Thank you.
Satisha Turam, Dechto Shatura. Tera ladek nato natura kadang saka personal interview itu. Tehadin pada kisah JTA mo, dalam JTA ngala kila khot ngaban lek training mo, kila khot ban lek training arbanai. Ki khot try sitiyo mo ngahap lek try sitiyo satisha kadang ko wika jaka ka shamati mo, tinggi lek itu sitiyo. Teka best ba mo, aka jingle jongan mar ngasngaw kalong yarap hayang mo. Ban pencelur ban keren api kipat bak mo kawe ban pencelur nga ban ai ban sim lang ikiwe mo te kata kawe ke ba kilong haka experience nga hang ne mo kilong positif ba mo I ai la tingi ke ba ni kwa mo ke ba ni kwa ban le ke ba ni trang ban le mo ta kata kawe ketika kata ka jing mentoi ke ba kham khrau mo ke ba nga yung mat mo te hadin ketua ka training pada ngalak lecture sakawi pada arbanai training mo arbanai te nangto ka training benar sibrai te ngadang khiu ba ban keren buat mentaro ngam pada long confident ba kata mo merete te hadin nangto ka steo le yang ngam juda keren briu ngam juda nut ban keren kene mo mak pai ba kene te hadin nangto pada ngalek arbanai training wa ya kan ka arbanai
Amperine Lingdo, Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Agriculture, announced that the government of the state had summoned Arden Basayomot to a discussion table to negotiate and talk terms on the end of his action of conducting the hunger strike. Arden, on the other hand, stood firm with his decision to demand the government to revise the reservation policy, the education policy to advance with the advancement of time and with the ever-increasing demography of the youth of the state.
Ubnai Jemang, Ar Hajar Ar Pulai, Nga Kum ka Chairman Jong ka Committee on Roster Implementation Bala set up the government of Meghalaya, Ngalayo ya Kashiti Kabapinshai, Baka term of reference jong ka committee jongi menta lapen kala bat lasya yangi bangin include discussion on matters related to the reservation policy. Kabamut lasya yangi menta bangin ya kendo pat ki seng san perthei banya kren banya thir bat banya sngoto jing mutlang bat kita ki political parties baro ngi kermen bakan ne ka jing ailat jong ka sarkar ya ka committee jongi bakan shim ya ka ne ka sinjam ka badon kam kan ulong kata kalat kelenti ka kabuksiar na kabenta ki seng san perthei baro ki badon hakajela ka bai ki jongi ngin don meeting biang hakalai poiterik bat ngikmi lenti bakan ne ka jing yalang ka jongi kan nanglong ke kabu bangin ya snuthu komno banra syakmat ya kane ke isu ke balakta ya kalait kawan ke yat kemat ya kane ke isu ke balakta ya kalait kawan ke yat ke yeng ke imlang salang ke sngow shong shngan ke jongi hakine ki khindet sngi ki baladep ngakit bokit wiang ya kinong song snong jong kejela ka bai ki jongi mapinyo e kata ka jing hun mensim ba ka sarkar kan sha mentayingi bangin yathir halor ka reservation policy kaba la yakhana nakadaw bakawan ka court ruling ka babata ingi hadin ka court ruling ba ni don kam man pentre kam ya ka reservation policy da kaba ni thau ya kata ka roster kaba upat ba uday ban suthu ki political parties ki di ban suthu but baro ki stakeholders ki di ban suthu lang ya kata titang dagi dikentin sia jango.
What is your point on opinion and then what will be your message to the now the
Thousands of people rushed to Nongstoin to participate in the peace rally forwarded by Adan Basayomot, VPP President, on the 30th May. The main motive of the rally was to support Ardan and his demand for the revision of the reservation policy and education policy for the youth of the state. The participants in the rally includes not just young people, but women and men from different regions who support the fight led by Ardan. The roaring crowd demanded the MDA-2 government to pay heed to their voices. Apart from the peace rally, there were also a signature campaign on the demanded issue showing the support of the general public.
District Council. Hagabang idon yaitri, kembali pada reserve karena kebentuk arkan hon. Donro gimana jimat bang ini kopi, ini challenge bagi yang kata berapa persen. Hendrai nak yang denging yang ba, nyempet dia kata, kasong hagating staf jong sarkar, hagabang kumno, empendek yang kena reservation policy. Ngindong patwa banyak kerennya roster system. Nama kami ke roster system kogi peta ngide masukho baka bang ka register ban maintain ya kata ka ratio ba kini ki reserve seat kini banyohok sauhong khatsan baksan tika ni sarkar ka kwa beliya keren ya kata roster system ka baong dan jingbat lada ya kata reservation policy 4 ban pengela. Nomor kata kita wajur yang sarkar baka depan penbaik motor yang ada reservation policy dah kata ya pihak merengkat bandam-bandam kena-kena tarjur ke bandar siang syakika sini syakika ro kan kum kasih dongkam bak ladat ka sarkar kamla banle kumta kapelbau ya kajing telat jangka law department hapo Meghalaya kapelbau ru ya kajing telat jong gini nang alam henrio pamot kibangi lagi bak hangta ni sawa ban penjisa ba kita kinong tawan kibangi lagi kidainem kita kinong tawan wemeli jo garamrai konsensi utai nagawai bak bedai kegenja raya penjok tagi khasi jongi udai banlong uyang komo jongi khasi ida masau tu berkawai ganang
Babung kita konsumsi kita ni, ngijit yang ekonomi kemat kita ni, jadi businessman. Dan buat kalau dia kira berardan henry, pun dia mana kasih kita ni, kita yang bentar, yang drop dia yang ni pasti market lo. Remy nak kena dia kira bentar, waktu drop lo lah kenjak. Waktu high level lo bentar, nado bagi yang mana kemai lah kenjak. Rekom kita tak. Ini manusia, nomor ni lah, pensiun suki MLA, dari kapal dari ni lah banlau no, ya ke suki kau usung, lah banwen no, berai di weru. Kumpulkan kerja, ini berpensiun dan kibarang, karena omlah ban mentah ban pengelah no, ban review ya ke reservation policy, aku akan kasih kenting, layar pun usam. Lah bertengkar kita taruh ke dekat habari yang berkasam. Boleh lah review mengenai social policy kepada kakang habari yang jami berkibarang kepada lonjong si para. Lalu lagi garau kita bagi dan gaji sofer apa bengkar yang harus social policy. Ikan dah kawasai minyak nak lagi jam bestit. Minyak nak ni kuat yang kan dia terpelan. Lalu yang Khasinews dia sip. Lalu tinggi kuat, bagaimana dia kuat suban long bagi kumsi para. Rengi kita hikmat kita ikan juga berkat nam tagari dekat kado. Kumtang kuat nam kuat bentran selam. Ailan lem yang kiweng, bagian keren. Tanggaweng, agar pak yang dipajak. Bapin bu jin dua lem nam taibah adam. Menenjamit ilangnya tantu. Mana setiap hari Meghalaya, Sommet berosimet, ngadang yok bani itu khana bagi badan yang tang asli KA ke bawah merak ke kisah kena kelang. Kapan itu mau belai mudah ringkat bagi ni etik ke jangku berbiak kadeu. Berkabar badan yang menusuk. Kawan belai ulah tesong yang kejak kadeu macam ni lembaga ni etik ni hakasihil awas kasihil hai janji akhir. Barang yang menggawe, kami akan pentau, yang kejadian terlibat yang macam ni. Saya susun kumpul kita, saya susun.
Young people of Mahati constituency, Riboy district, announced an invitation to a general meeting on the 31st of May to discuss on approaching the residents of MLA of Mahati, Charles Marngar, to convince him to speak up for the support of the reservation policy. Therefore, all young people, men and women of Mahati are invited to take part in the march towards the residents of Charles Marngar.
Doa kene kapor kum ki khun samla jongka Mahati constituency ngiron kecing Sokhia. Ba lasai kesni aka lakui trik jong braime arajar apply ikot pengiwer fi barok di paiba jong Mahati constituency bapiniawan bapiniami renti hak por spo beje halat ying jong MLA jungi hanong jiri kabadi kesnong kejungu bagi nelek kerpan lek kerpon yu ba ukren AA na kabenca ban review no ya kaneka reservation policy hadin balang adep kendu ya MLA jungi ngin sa ilek lang ban lek ai mensim ya iba arden sati sepo additional secretariat je iso ben simi kanai kalan sepi ki paiba nang senong jong Mahati constituency nadu kirang ba senong kiru khman kiru paiba kilong kni kilong pa ki khun samla ba pin yami renti lang ban ai mensim na kabenta kane ke jing thmu ko ba jong iba arden na kabenta kalawei jong ki khun samla jong kane kari kasi be ke jungi.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.